Do I need to have any specialized knowledge to become a content creator? Will I be able to actually edit my own videos? If you are asking yourself any of these questions, and if you are wondering if you can become a content creator, or maybe you think that editing videos might be a blocker for you, watch this video because I'm going to share with you my knowledge, my journey, and I'm going to share with you a couple of tricks and things that you are going to need in order to edit your videos and make them look maybe not like super pro or top YouTube channels, but at least good enough. And just to give you a sentence on my journey, I've recorded my first videos around, I think 2, 3, maybe even 4 years ago about Microsoft 365 and about Office and these kind of tutorials, very easy peasy things that I wanted to share because some of my customers in my previous businesses were needing these, and I started to record these videos just like that. And then it evolved over time, and around a year and a half ago, I started a channel about sales and marketing for B2B. And in B2B, at the very beginning, I was editing my own videos and I was looking for super simple software solutions in order to do so. And I'm going to share a couple of these today with you. So hopefully I will ease things up for you. So when it comes to your videos, of course, there are dozens of different videos that you can watch on how to record like a pro, what to do with your lighting and so on. But when it comes to editing, you are going to need a couple of things. So first and foremost, you are going to need some B-rolls that are making the video more dynamic. And you can of course record the B-rolls of your own, or you can use the stock videos that will somehow be related to the topic of your videos, like people in a conference room, for example, a car driving by, or people in a park, or people in a crowded space, and so on and so forth. You can find these on the stock video services, or if you are using the tool that I will be mentioning just in a second, you can find them directly in this tool. The second thing that comes in handy are the subtitles and captions, so the things that are appearing in the various areas of your screen, or the subtitles if you are recording in a different language. Sometimes they come in handy in sharing these with clients if you have maybe a bit tougher accent, or if you just want to make things very clear for someone, or if you just want to make the video more accessible for people with disabilities. We're going to also need a couple of sound effects here and there, like swoosh, whoosh, and other types of rings, bells, and things like that. And you are going to, of course, need to cut out some bloopers like this one. And the tool that I would like to share with you today, which I think is the simplest thing that I've seen in my entire career when it comes to video editing tool for the beginners, is Descript. And Descript is super simple for, I think, the one and only reason. So an average video editing software has you overwhelmed with all of the things that you can do in there. And for people that are beginners, it can be very overwhelming at the very beginning. While Descript provides you with two very simple things. So the first one is it transcribes your video to text. Depending on the language that you are speaking, I think right now they are supporting about 20-something languages or so, and they are transcribing your video, and you can edit your video, meaning you can cut your video by editing text. So you don't have to know anything about video editing. You only need to highlight a piece of text, click delete or backspace on your keyboard, and boom, done. The video is cut. Furthermore, you can select 1 or 2 buttons in there and add subtitles to your video. You can insert the B-roll or the sound effect directly from the repository of Descript's huge library. You can record your own screen and face right directly into the Descript, and you can use a couple of dozens of different tools that will help make your video look more professional. Like for example, if you are using a script and you are looking at the script, Descript can help you look directly onto the camera while using one of their features combined with AI, some sort of a thingy that will help you to do just that. Before I move to the next one, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you are finding this video interesting. Also, they have a tool that will make your voice sound better. So if you don't have the quality microphone, like for example I have right now, you can use this AI sound to improve your sound. And I have to be honest, in some cases it works pretty well, but in others it makes sound a bit robotic. So you have to try it out and see if this will work for you. So you can give it a try.
If you would like to get more valuable information about B2B sales and marketing, join our email broadcast, where we share resources with valuable information, marketing tricks and case studies of successful campaigns, proven scenarios for B2B sales, useful tools, and a ton more to help you improve your sales and marketing game and generate more leads.
Descript has a cloud storage that will enable you to store your videos in there, and it also has an integration with your social media, so you can publish directly from Descript to your YouTube account and many more. It also enables you to speed things up thanks to the features like remove filler words, so every time you say or, and so on and so forth, you can just look for the filler words and highlight all of them and boom, delete in bulk if you want to. And it also makes things easier for you when it comes to post-production editing. So if you are wondering if you can actually make your own videos, create your own videos and edit them later on, I would encourage you to give Descript a try and see for yourself that it's not as tough as it may seem. And I would encourage you to just record it, publish it, and see how it will perform and how it will look like, because there are people out there who are looking for your content, they are looking out for help that you can provide with your own expertise, they are looking for the entertainment that you can provide. So yeah, I keep my fingers crossed for your content to appear on YouTube. If this video was anyhow helpful to you, make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about video editing, marketing, sales, leave them in the comment section down below. I am not a video editing expert myself, but I'll do my best, and if I know the answer, I'll be more than happy to provide it to you. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.